to understand SEO, you have come to the right place. What is SEO? SEO means making our site visible in search engines. Now, the next part is what is SEO and little bit detail form. SEO is optimizing website in order to rank in top of search engines. Then the third part is what is on-page SEO and what is off-page SEO and what is technical SEO. These are three branches of SEO. In on-page SEO and off-page SEO, the two important branches of SEO in order to rank website. And technical SEO is the third part which keeps note of the performance of website, which makes user experience good and ultimately it helps in ranking. Then how SEO works? SEO works when a user types a keyword in search engines for any product or services which is searching. Then the number of websites comes under search engine top or top 10 are the websites which have ranked for certain keywords which users have typed in the search engines. So you have to optimize your website accordingly by using those keywords in the title tags, description tags, content, images, URLs, and writing a unique content. This all comes under on-page optimization. After that, you have to build backlinks, which comes under off-page optimization. You have to write such content, such unique content, so that you can get some backlinks from high authoritative sites. You have to build some backlinks by posting content for guest post sites, and you have to build multiple techniques of backlinks as like profile listing sites, business listing sites. You have to build like that some good high DS sites. Then what the fourth question is what beginners should do. A beginner should analyze website before going for any SEO process. First, he needs to analyze what the website is all about. What is the keyword? He must first select for this keyword to resemble the niche of the website. What is the target audience he needs to target? After that, he can go for doing keyword research and you have to select certain keywords for each page, and within those keywords you have to do on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and simultaneously technical SEO should be considered. This overall process helps in SEO and rankings.